The auto rotate function is a quick and easy way to rotate any object. So let's grab an object. We'll use the torus here, and I'm also going to throw a material on it so that we can see it a little bit better. I'm going to go back into my built-ins, my FP tab, and we're inside the tools folder. So let's grab the auto rotate and put this onto our torus. Now, once in the auto rotate function, we have the axis that we can set. It's set to X by default. We can change it to Y or Z as well. We also have a direction, right or left, and a velocity. So once I set this velocity and hit ease in, it's going to start to auto rotate our torus. And once I hit halt, it halts it. So that's on the X axis. We can change it to Y and hit ease in again. Now it's on the Y axis. And if we want to change it to left, it changes the direction. There's also a Z, so when we change it to Z, it will auto-rotate it on the Z plane. The velocity is the speed, so as I adjust the velocity up, or if I adjust it down, it changes the speed of this object. To stop it, we can hit halt. Now we also have an option for ease in and ease out. If I adjust this ease in up to 368, a random number, and hit ease in, what it's basically going to do is actually ease into this auto rotation. Again, we'll hit halt and we'll reset that. Now there's also a starting angle, so if I always want this to start at 90 degrees, when I hit ease in, it's actually going to jump to 90 degrees and continue to rotate from there. There's a ping pong mode, which is off by default. I can set this to on, and then we can come in here and adjust our ping pong angles. So once we kind of randomly set these ping pong angles and we hit ease in, again, you can see how it starts to ping pong initially. Now, once it is ping pongy, you can come back and adjust these ping pong angles to adjust them accordingly.